Hey guys, in this video I will show you best IK option indicator special for you and best IK option script special for you. And if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, okay? And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. And this video in description not indicator link, okay? If you need this indicator, this is a paid strategy 100% non-repeat indicator. And if you need this indicator, link in my telegram channel, link in my description box. Simply click and send me personal message. I send this indicator link, okay? No registration fee, without registration, without money, and without any criteria, okay? So what is a strategy? Strategy is when market touch the upper line and down line, okay? Here is a, if you see, market touch the down line, touch the upper line, cross the upper line, okay? And market skip signal by up, okay? And if you trade up, when cross the down line up for upper line, by signal skip signal by up, okay? And you can trade on 2 minute or 3 minute or 1 minute, okay? 2 minute is best, okay? If you see market, here is a market upper line cross the lower line, and market should be go down, okay? Down signal, okay? Okay, I can see on live. And so let's start trading with this indicator, okay? Okay, here is a, and here is a very good signal, and it does the, and if you buy up trade and 100% winning trade, okay? And here is a up signal. If you trade for 2 minutes, you 100% win, okay? And here is a not signal. Why? Because I'm not sure why market. Okay. Here is a down signal, market going down, okay? Very good indicator, okay? This indicator very late signal, but this indicator signal is very strong, okay? 100% non-repeat, okay? So let's wait for signal, okay? As you can see, market touch the upper line, touch the lower line, and market should be go down for 2 minutes, okay? Okay, it's very late entry, okay? Okay. Okay.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Baby, you get up my appetite. Don't leave me here